Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to center across selection in Google Sheets shortcut. Let's begin. Click text. Sorry. First of all, select your cells or table. You center and hold Shift Control or hold Control Shift. Press E on your keyboard. And now see this center text. And step 2, select to the cell shortcut key Walter O M S Mars horizontally, then again hold Walter Shift E. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.